Today we'll look at the 3 different basket options available for the Everstyle drawer system. These are the divided basket and deep divided baskets, which are available in both 14 and 20-inch depths, and the laundry basket, which is available in just the 20-inch depth option. We're going to start with this 14-inch deep, 30-inch wide deep divided basket. The deep divided basket at approximately 16 inches tall is perfect for storing bulky or folded items like linen sets, but there are lots of other items that would work great in a basket like oversized scarves, purses, decorative pillows, or throws. Basically, any larger fabric-based item would be ideal. As you can see, this one is filled with bathrobes. At first glance, this looks very similar to the laundry basket, but the difference is the bars on the front and back of this deep divided basket. These bars are designed to allow for a divider clip that simply snaps into place. The clip is also very easy to reposition. Just lift out the divider, bend up the clip, put it into the new position, repeat the same steps at the front, and slide the divider into its new home. No screws, no tools, no levering, just unclip the clip and move it. In both depth options and all widths, the drawers include one divider, creating 2 storage spaces. The interior of the basket and dividers are a suede-like textured ivory-colored material. Here we have a 20-inch divided basket. You can see that they're shallower at approximately 7.5 inches tall, and this 36-inch width size, there are 3 front-to-back dividers, which results in 4 usable spaces for storing items. The quantities of dividers included reduces as the width of the drawers gets smaller. In both depth options, 36-inch drawers include 3 dividers, creating 4 storage spaces. 30 and 24-inch sizes both include 2 dividers for 3 storage spaces, and the 18-inch drawer reduces to a single divider, creating 2 storage spaces. Remember, these dividers are movable, so they're a great structure for organization, but you could consider moving a single or multiple dividers in different applications to solve for custom storage needs. When applying the divided baskets to a design, consider that 2 stacked divided baskets can be placed in the same footprint as one deep divided basket. Both the divided basket options are sturdy and rigid with a firm base, which keeps its shape and doesn't sag when filled with items. They also both showcase the beautiful vegan leather finish on the baskets to coordinate with the interior of your other Everstyle drawers. Take your client's needs into consideration to decide on which of these options are best for their needs. Last, let's look at the laundry basket. This is the largest version at 36 inches wide. It's called a laundry basket due to the large, approximately 16 inches high, faux leather baskets that conceal the internal laundry bags from view. The Everstyle laundry bags are made from a special nylon that creases less and are washable, unlike previous laundry bags. The nylon isn't waterproof, however, so it's best if they aren't used for sopping wet clothes. The laundry bags lift cleanly in and out, and like the pant hangers, they rest gently on the top of the rails. Other applications for the laundry basket? Well, anywhere your client needs to store bulky items and keep them out of sight. For example, kids' toys in a family room, bulky yarn in a craft room, or blankets in a guest bedroom. If you look closely at the laundry basket, you can see that it really needs the depth of a 20-inch system to function well. At 14 inches deep, there really wouldn't be sufficient space to be functional. Therefore, this laundry hamper is only available in a 20-inch deep option. For hiding laundry in 14-inch depths, I'd stick to the tilt-out hamper options we have available in our classic system. As always, you can reference additional details for these baskets in the standard product guide. Thanks again for listening and learning.